Okay, there are a lot of vending machines here.
本日も JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。
And I think I'm going to get a Hershey's Cocoa. Yes, a Hershey's Cocoa here in a vending machine in Tokyo.
Back at it again, aren't we?
No milk chocolate. I think we only saw milk chocolate at the train station because you might see kids at the train station, but because this is a business area, no milk chocolate. That's what I'm thinking.
Well, I'm going to double check here because no, it's fun. That is not water. Got it. That's how much it costs. He hasn't even noticed we're by another vending machine.
I don't see any milk chocolate.
From a distance
Chocolate
he
milk,
sees
rather.
no chocolate milk.
No chocolate milk.
Well, okay. What? I didn't hear you. I think we've been here before. Here, this is where we're at.
I keep hoping for different drinks.
At least 20 times. You keep hoping
I'm
for what?
looking for the chocolate milk. No chocolate milk in this one.
Because we like coffee here. He's still at the vending machine.
Getting some water.
Look, vending machine pictures. Yeah. Money goes in the hole, the other hole.
Do you see one?
Yes, hello. The green ring. The green ring. See, green ring. All right. No, you put coins.
Coins. This one doesn't take bills.
Trouble.
You either need a Suiza card or you need coins.
See, talk to the bird. Talk to the bird. There's happiness in sight. There's some cocoa in the machine. Question is, does he have enough money to buy cocoa?
I do. See, right here.
Yeah. Alright, this is going to be a long video.
$1.20.
Long video. Wait. I got to zoom in on the hole. Alright, now you can do it. Okay.
Coins go up to $5.
Put the money in. And then it comes out the bottom somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Done. We don't have to look at the machines anymore, I hope.
What?
We don't have to look at the machines anymore, do we?
No.
Alright. Happiness is moving on.
Well, I don't know. Maybe I want a different brand. Alright, this one looks like chocolate covered chocolate, but I'm not entirely sure. That has a vague appearance of cherries, but again, I'm not entirely sure. This one is a possibility as well, but I think I'm going to go with this one.
You're going to share it?
If you're nice. Are you nice? Almond Choco Bar, indeed. Excellent.
Can you show the camera so that camera can see? Got it.